This illustration deals with replacements in accordance with NEC 406.4, D as in dog, 7. The purpose of the change was to accept a new subdivision. A new subdivision was added to clarify the replacement of control devices. This new subsection addresses safety concerns related to the removal of control features. Now, notice the receptacle, and it deals with replacement receptacles, shall be evaluated in accordance with 406.4, D as in dog, 7. And then notice you have your figure emblem there that has to be on the receptacle in accordance with 406.3E, and then it has to be visible after installation. Now that deals with the receptacle that's being maybe replaced here. And then notice that the control receptacle and plate cover in 404.6D and E. Now, notice at 404 you're dealing with switching. Article 406, you're dealing with receptacles. And we know that 70B 24.3 refers you over to 406 for switching, and it also refers you over to 404 for your receptacles. Or excuse me, I just got that backwards. 24.3 would refer you to 406 for receptacles and 404 for switches when you're replacing one-on-one, for example. Now, if you review, if it's a wall switch, then notice 210.70 deals with switches where you switch lights, luminaires, fixtures, but it also deals with switching a receptacle. And notice 404.2C, 404.14A through D, and 404.8A deals with electronic type switching devices that automatically handles the switching of the receptacle where the cord and plug type equipment, cord and plug connects into it. And of course, you know this is an automatic control device that you're reviewing to the right-hand side of the illustration. Now the notes, I'd like to review those. In note 1 to the left top side of the illustration, automatically controlled devices are required to be replaced with equivalently controlled receptacles as outlined in 406.4 D as in dog 7. Note 2 to the right-hand side talks about the receptacle. And if the receptacle is no longer automatically controlled, a regular receptacle can be installed. And of course, you know that's those rules are outlined in 406.4 D as in dog 7. So this kind of concludes what this new subsection is all about.